Hey everyone! Welcome back to Reindeer Soft, your go-to channel for the coolest tech and AI updates. Today, I've got something insane to show you. A free tool from Microsoft Bing that turns your text into videos using AI. And it's powered by OpenAI's brilliant model called Sora. If you've ever dreamed of creating videos just by typing what you want, this is your moment. Let's jump right in. So here's the scoop. Microsoft Bing just added a feature called Bing Video Creator inside its mobile app. You just type a text prompt, hit generate, and bam! AI creates a short video clip for you. No fancy software, no editing skills needed. Just your words, and Bing's AI doing all the magic. Getting started is super simple. Download the Bing app on your phone. Sign in with your Microsoft account. You get 10 free videos to create right away. After that, you can keep going by earning or spending Microsoft Rewards points, which you get just by searching with Bing or shopping on Microsoft Store. Easy, right? Now, a few things to keep in mind. Videos are short, 5 seconds only for now. They're vertical format, perfect for TikTok, Instagram, and Stories. Video creation isn't lightning fast. Even in fast mode, it can take a while. And for now, it's only available on mobile, but desktop support is coming soon. Still, considering it's free and powered by OpenAI, it's an incredible starting point. Why should you care? Because this is the future of video creation. AI is making content creation easier, faster, and accessible to everyone. No fancy cameras or editing tools needed. Whether you're a creator, marketer, or just love experimenting with new tech, this tool can spark tons of ideas. So, what are you waiting for? Download the Bing app, try out the AI video generator, and tell me what crazy videos you create. Drop your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. I want to see what you come up with. Stay ahead with the latest advancement in technology and innovation. Visit our website to learn more, and don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe for our latest updates.